Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime. For this evening, I am Daydrian. Get this, Vybz Kartel dubbed as Dancehall National Hero. Speaking Thursday on Radio Jamaica's Beyond the Headlines, Global Head of Music at World Music Views, Donovan Watkis, says Vybz Kartel has one of the most devoted fan following, along with worldwide reggae musician Bob Marley. With this, he made the proclamation that Vybz Kartel is a national icon for the genre.
I think other than Bob Marley, Vybz Kartel has the most loyal fan base in Jamaican music. Them named Gaza. He has named them and claimed them, and they come under this umbrella that they are for whatever he is for. They're for him.
He also touched on the incarcerated DJ's impact on music.
The things he's singing about, people are actually practicing and doing them and all kind of things, right? And he basically become the national hero for his demographic, just like Bob Marley become the hero for his demographic.
He says despite being imprisoned for a decade, Vybz Kartel still holds relevancy.
The songs that Kartel released in the last 10 years, they are consumed heavily, both locally and internationally. In fact, most of Kartel's YouTube streams are outside of Jamaica because he has some of the biggest songs, but he doesn't have top songs in Jamaica.
Watkis' comments comes on the heels of the entertainer and his co-accused case being quashed by the UK Privy Council on Thursday. The matter was sent back to the Court of Appeal in Jamaica, where they will decide if the case will be retried. Now, dancehall sensation Valiant teases upcoming EP. In a social media post, the artist hinted that an EP is in the works. It is understood that the body of work would become Valiant's first EP with Sony Music. He has not yet announced a release date or the title of the project. The EP will be his second formal release following his 2023 mixtape 414. The mixtape was under consideration for a Grammy in the Best Reggae Album category in the first round of voting. Enough, says Cardi B as she hits back at critics. The bongo singer released her new track, Enough Miami, targeting her biggest critics Friday. Cardi initially hinted about the track on March 7 in a video that she uploaded to her official TikTok page. She commented 15 when she posted the video to her Instagram profile, alluding to the song's March 15 release date. The song is a follow-up to her recent hit, Like What, which is currently number 38 on the Billboard Hot 100. Cardi will also be featured on Shakira's upcoming album. Now, Regina King speaks on son's death. On Thursday, King talked with Good Morning America for the first time since her 26-year-old son, Ian Alexander Jr., committed suicide in January of 2022. King stated that although Ian brought her and others joy and happiness, her son found it difficult to find it for himself.
Grief is a journey, you know. I understand that grief is love that has no place to go, because he is always with me.
Throughout the years, Ian often went to events with his Oscar-winning mom, and at the 2023 awards, she honored him by dressing in orange, his favorite color. That's it for your weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daydrian. Thank you for watching. Be safe.